Okay, I just want to do a quick demonstration of using a plastic welding gun. This thing is paid for itself 100 times over already. You get them on Amazon for like under 20 bucks. They come with, this one was a real good deal. I looked numerous staples. I think this one had 800. There's about 6 different style staples. The one I'm using today is just kind of like it's almost like a U shape, but with like a V at the end of the U for getting in the angle. I'm fixing a diaper genie pail. One of the little tabs here cracked off because I have to shake sometimes the diapers down because I'm using it with regular trash bags. It's ridiculous to try to do the refills, but we've had it for several years and it's probably 10 years old. We got it used at a thrift store or something, but this little tab broke off. If you look in closer, you can kind of see where it cracked off right here. And this guy, and I've already done one staple, I'm going to demonstrate doing another one. With this guy right here, normally I would have probably put a bunch of epoxy up in there to provide some more strength, but I found this plastic welder to be, and I lost the staple. They slide out pretty easily. This plastic welder has been almost sometimes stronger than the original piece of plastic was, but you got a little red light on this one, this cheap Chinese thing, but you hit the button and there's a light here, and you might have saw a little spark there, but I'm just gonna, you can see it's kind of smoking, heating up, and I'm just gonna melt it down into the plastic. And just once I get it where I want it, just let off the trigger, wait till the plastic kind of cools a little bit, and pull that guy out, and you can see what I've done. Now these prongs you're going to cut off with a pair of dikes, and this one came with dikes, but I decided you could see this one kind of poked out a little bit right there.
Keep it more in frame.
I want to come a little deeper here, so I can get right back on the prongs and just squeeze the button and just push it in a little bit more and really get submerged into the plastic. And now, yeah, those prongs, I won't be able to cut them flush. I could take, like if this was a piece it's all encased in here, it's not going to be seen, but if this was a piece exposed to somebody's fingers or something, I might take it to a grinding wheel and grind them down after I clip it. I may, because I think these may stick out, I'll have to look how it goes on this mechanism. I may still grind them down so that they don't cut holes in the plastic bag, but that little tab now is back on real strong. I mean, it's probably as strong, if maybe not even stronger. Now I can take, sometimes these come with like a little flat spade that you can melt this plastic back down. Now I have a solder gun with a flat spade. This one wasn't the advanced one. You spend $5 more and you get an advanced adapter to it, and it comes like a little plastic welder spade on it. But thanks for watching. Hope that helps.